In this lesson, we're going to be talking about exactly how to use the video research worksheet that's included along with this course. Now, all of the ideas that are represented in the worksheet, everything you're going to work through, has already been discussed in the video lesson all about how to find the viral video ideas. But I just wanted to take a minute to walk you through the worksheet itself so that you understand how to use it to your advantage and how to simplify the process of the video research. This especially comes in handy when you are researching a whole bunch of different videos and you basically have all this data that can be floating around in your brain, and it can be really hard to kind of sort through the data and figure out what it means and which video would be the best idea. But if you kind of do this research on a basic level and you're able to identify this is a basically good idea, this is a basically bad idea, based on mostly these videos are getting a lot of views and these videos are not, then you can take your pool of good ideas and you can pop each of them into the video research worksheet, and you can really help to kind of sort through them better and figure out which ideas are the very best. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is just plug in the video idea itself. Now, this doesn't have to be the exact title you're going to use, but just like what is the concept of the video. So, you know, my travel morning routine or my video upload routine, how to floss your teeth, how to assemble this Lego set, how to walk your dog, a day in the life vlog, whatever the idea is, okay? Even if it's not the exact title, just plug that into the worksheet. And then you want to search for that topic, okay, that idea. And again, you don't have to use the exact title, but just the idea. Pop that into YouTube and search for it and look at how many views similar videos are getting. Now, the different videos will have different titles, but as long as they have the same idea as the video you're considering creating, you can consider that to be relevant data. So you look at how many views all of these similar videos got, and you can pull out your calculator and add them all up and divide them by the number of videos that you were considering. So like if you looked at the search page and you added up the views for the top 10 results, and then you divide that by 10, then you'll see what the average video view count is. Now, if there is some that are outliers, where there's one that got a very, very small number of views or a very, very high number of views, you might want to leave those out because they could skew your data. But otherwise, you can just add them all up together. Now, keep in mind, I'm not saying your video will get this number of views. That's not what's going to happen, especially if you're first starting out. Your video will get way less views than this. But all we're trying to do is verify demand here. So yes, these are the top videos in the category, but it's proving that there are a lot of people out there who are interested in watching videos on that topic, because if there's, 10 videos there about how to cook enchiladas and most of them have 300,000 views, that tells you that there's a lot of people out there who want to learn how to cook enchiladas, right? And so your video initially, especially, might not get that many views, but you're at least making a video that is about a topic that you know people are interested in learning about. Okay, so you're gonna plug in the average views of similar videos, and this really is such an important piece of data. The next thing on the worksheet is the question, how did this video idea perform on other channels that are similar to yours? So, it's great to have a popular video idea, but that video idea might have been really popular on a channel that's not like yours. So it might not be popular with the type of people who have already subscribed to your channel or who you're trying to attract. So you want to click on these different video results that you found and see what type of channel that is. Is that channel similar to yours? Okay. And then compare how well that video did on channels that are similar to yours to their other videos. So, for example, you have a channel all about fitness. You're considering making a video about your weekly fitness routine, okay? And so you search weekly fitness routine. You find a bunch of different results and you click on one of them. And this weekly fitness routine is on a beauty channel, okay? And it was just a beauty YouTuber talking about her weekly fitness routine. So while that data still is relevant because it tells you people are interested in watching a weekly fitness routine video, it doesn't tell you specifically how well that video might do on your channel. So you disregard that one and then you'd click on another one. And this one you see is in fact on a fitness channel that's similar to what you're trying to create. So what you do is you look and you see how many views their videos normally get. Maybe most of their videos normally get 30,000 views and their weekly fitness routine got 70,000 views. So that tells you that video did really well on their channel, right? So over on the video research worksheet where it says how did this video idea perform on other channels that are similar to yours, there's a scale there where it says basically 1 through 10, with 1 being poor and 10 being amazing. That video idea, your weekly fitness routine, you know, it did about maybe a 7 or an 8 out of 10, okay? It didn't go insanely viral, it doesn't have millions of views, but it did really well considering how it did compared to the other videos on their channel. Okay, so of course this isn't an exact science, but as long as you are using a consistent standard as you're analyzing different video ideas you have, as long as you are doing the same thing with one video idea after another, you'll be able to compare on the video research worksheet which idea is the best. The next thing on the worksheet is also a scale where you get to grade the idea, but this isn't based on the research at all, it's based on how excited are you about the idea, because that can be a big reason to choose one idea over another. If you're looking at 2 different ideas and they both got a similar number of views and they both are performing similarly on similar types of channels, but one of them you're super excited about and the other one totally bores you, obviously you want to choose the one that you are more excited about. Okay, and then the last part of the video research worksheet is as you're looking at all of these different ideas, you will notice that the videos that are about the same thing have different titles. And so you can be using this information that you are learning to come up with a couple alternative video title ideas. So what are you actually going to call the video? And you can use your best judgment. You can go with the one that is the clearest and the most straightforward and the most catchy. But you also can look at which titles seem to have performed the best, you know, which one got the most views or performed the best on similar channels. So just be paying attention to that and be writing down ideas on this bottom part of the video research worksheet as you go along. Okay, so that sums up how to use the video research worksheet. Aside from all of the things we're talking about in this course about how to successfully start and promote your channel, this really is the core of how to come up with ideas that are really going to be compelling and attract new subscribers. If you come up with great ideas and you execute them well, so you make good quality videos about ideas that are things people are really interested in watching, you can screw up a lot of other things on your channel and you can still have a really successful channel in your hands. So really focus on those things, you know, good quality videos and ideas that people are interested in.